I'll show you something. I baked my skinny bread. All I did here, this is 12 servings. That's why I got it cut into 12 pieces. I'm making tacos to freeze them. We're gonna sell the frozen food here, but this is a way you can make it at home too if you're on a budget trying to save money. So this is 3 cups skinny bread mix, and then it's 3 cups egg whites and 1.5 cups plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I just mixed that up, spread it out, and baked it for 30 minutes at 350. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put taco meat, and I like to buy 93% lean turkey, okay? And I just try to put it in each of the squares. I mean, guys, meal prepping does not get easier than this, okay? So each taco's got, I would say, about 2 ounces of meat on it. And like I said, I prefer to use the 93% lean turkey than using beef and stuff. It's better for you, plus you get more what you pay for. So there's my tacos, and then all I'm gonna do, guys, is throw some cheese on it too, okay? But you see how I'm trying to put it on, like in the center of each square? And I'm telling you, I eat one of these every day. You just, once you freeze it, and then you take it out, you just plop it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, that's it. And there's my tacos. Now I'm gonna show you how to package it real quick. So this is how I package it, guys. I have this parchment paper. I'm gonna stick it here. They come out easy because I spray the pan. You guys can see my other videos what I do. So I'm just gonna stick it like this and put it in a Ziploc bag. And this is what you got, guys. You got 12, I just made, how long did it take me to meal prep 12 tacos? Okay, it really is not, I'm telling you, meal prepping with Healthy Treats Market is super easy. So you freeze these, then when I wanna go warm it up, I'm gonna take it out of the freezer, it'll be frozen. All I'm gonna do is take it out of the bag, take this off the top, microwave it for 3 minutes, and then I have a taco. And then I'll put the salsa and the sour cream and whatever else I want on my taco. But that way I've already got it pre-made, so if I'm starving and I gotta get out of here, I can do it. Okay, guys? We've got these frozen for sale here at the market. We've got freezers, and I'll take a video of all the different things we got. So you can come buy frozen food that's already prepared for you, that's homemade. The other thing is, if you like us, make sure to visit us at healthytreatsmarket.com. You can look at more recipes there. And if you do live nearby, guys, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.